Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at my latest laptop, the ASUS ROG Flow X13. I know, you can see in my face my excitement for this one. Yes, my voice isn't back yet, but I'm really excited to share with you guys the latest, and the most exciting notebook from ASUS, the ROG Flow X13. So we got here first the XG Station. This is the external GPU that is meant for the Flow X13. It comes with an RTX 3080 GPU, while this one is actually the laptop. So first, we're gonna unbox the laptop and we're gonna make sure that the laptop is working. So yeah, so time to unbox this one. All right. So first, oh my god, so we got the box. Inside the box, there we go. Let's remove the remote over there. So we got here the box, we got here the laptop sleeve, and what else do we got in here? So that's it for the main laptop box. So first, I want to show you guys the laptop sleeve of this one. So it's a little bit thick, yes, but I am confident that this one is can actually house the notebook. And okay, it can, I believe it cannot house the other stuff. Only, oh no, yo, it comes with another pouch. So I believe this is for the XG Station. I am not yet sure regarding that one, but there's a strap on this one. So yes, I could bring my laptop, use the straps over here. There we go. And then, yeah, along with the XG Station case. I'm not sure where I can strap this one, but yeah, it does have the ROG design. As you can see in here, we got here the half slice design with the ROG logo. Okay, so inside this one is actually just, well, nothing. No compartments at all. Just, I believe for the XG Station. And then for this one, well, just like that, there's a caution for the notebook. Unfortunately, there's no case or pouches for the charger, which I think is a little bit thick and a little bit big, considering that this is a gaming notebook. But yes, we've seen those things. Now, how about the notebook? Okay, let me show that to you. I want to show that to you guys. Look at this. There we go. You can see in here the gift, the gift from the gods. It's actually the ASUS ROG Flow X13. I am really impressed with this one, okay? So just to give you an idea, guys, this notebook comes with an up to Ryzen 9 5980HS CPU. We can go up to the latest RTX 3080 with the external GPU, but this one comes with an up to GTX 1650. There's also up to 1 terabytes of SSD and a 32 gigs, up to 32 gigs, 4266 megahertz of RAM. So for our variant, I believe the specs is written over here. So the variant that we got comes with a 5900 HS CPU. We got your 13.4 4K display. It's a 60 Hz display because it's 4K. We also got here 1 terabyte SSD, 16 gigs of RAM, which is really good, and of course a lot of things. So those are the main things about this notebook. Now time to remove the plastic and let's see how good the ROG Flow X13 is. I can't believe that there's a gaming notebook from ASUS this thin. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. I can already say to you guys that this is the best ROG gaming notebook that I've seen. It's a 13-inch notebook. Look at this. It's beautiful. It runs on the latest 5900HS processor. We got here the latest GeForce GTX GPU. Basically, we got here all of the main features. We got here 7nm x86 mobile CPU, supports XG Mobile, a 360 design. Yes, a 360 design, a Pantone ProArt True Color technology, liquid metal thermal compound, a Type-C charging which is 100 watts, and a crystal surround sound by Dolby Atmos. So time to remove this one. So as you can see in here, well, okay, I'm not sure where this rubber came from, but I believe this is for Okay, so there's a rubber that's protecting the proprietary port for the XG Mobile. Anyway, we're gonna place that later. You can see in here that we got here the notebook. It's actually a 360 convertible notebook. Yes, it's a notebook. It's a convertible notebook. It comes with touchscreen. I'm really impressed with that one. But the best part about this notebook is that the ASUS ROG Flow X13 is really thin. For a gaming notebook with a 5900HS CPU combined with the GTX 1650 GPU, I'm amazed that we got the specification at this size at 13.4 with a 4K display. So first things first, let's talk about the design. So as you can see in here, the keys are actually similar to most ROG notebooks. But the look of this one is cleaner. It's a lot better compared to ROG notebooks. It doesn't scream gaming. It doesn't feel too edgy for me. It's actually minimalistic. And I like the colors that we got in here. So first, we got here the 4K display. We got here some thin bezels over here. We still got here the webcam. Surprisingly, we didn't lose the webcam over here. And of course, we got here the keyboard over here. It's really nice. There's no numpad. The touchpad is nice to place over here. I believe the size is just the right size for me. And of course, we got here the carbon fiber look. But I'm not sure if this is plastic or a different kind of material. But this one is really light. For the cover, we got here the textured lid. As you can see in here, we got here some slices over here. It's actually textured. I like the feel of this one. It's not unique, but I like what we're getting in this one. So on the left side, we got here the XG Mobile proprietary port. I believe this one would also arrive in other notebooks from ASUS, since the XG Mobile page only shows that the compatible notebook is this one. I hope that they could release more notebooks that is compatible with the XG Mobile. Anyway, we also got here the HDMI port. We also got here the 3.5mm audio jack. It's a combo jack. On the other side, we got here the USB-A, the USB-C. Of course, we got here the power button and also the grills over here for the heat, okay, over here. So just like the other ROG notebooks, we also got here the dedicated buttons for the speaker, the microphone, and also the ROG Armory. I believe it's the Armory Crate, the shortcut for that one, similar to other ROG notebooks. I actually like the layout of this one, and the key size is actually in full size. And so far, I like the feel on typing on the ROG Flow X13. It's actually pretty good. Coming from a MacBook and also from the ASUS VivoBook, this one is actually better than the VivoBook. It's not as good as the MacBooks, but I'm quite fine with the travel distance and also the feel when typing on this notebook. So while we're turning this one on, let's check out the box of this notebook and let's see what are the other things that we can expect from this one. And I believe we do not have a charge for the notebook. So yeah, time to check out the other things that we can find inside the box. Of course, we got here the papers. Ooh, this is a nice touch. This is actually a surprising one. So the ASUS ROG Flow X13 comes with a stylus. Yes, it's a convertible laptop. It's perfect for drawing. It's perfect for your CAD or whatever drawing that you want. And it does come with this stylus, so you can draw on Photoshop, Illustrator, or whatever application that you want to use for your ROG Flow X13. So the ASUS ROG Flow X13 comes with the ROG Chakram Core mouse, and I believe it's a perfect companion for your notebook. But I was hoping that it would have a wireless mouse, but maybe you can just buy a wireless mouse from ASUS ROG if you want a better gaming mouse for your notebook. And of course, we got here the power brick, which comes with a USB-C port, and of course, this cable so we can plug in our ASUS ROG Flow X13. So time to plug in our ASUS ROG Flow X13 notebook, and let's see and let's take a closer look and the hands-on of this notebook. So let's see if this is really powerful and if this is really good. So we're setting up the ASUS ROG Flow X13 at my back over here, and we still got here the ASUS ROG XG Mobile Station. Okay, so what's up with this one? Again, this comes with a GeForce RTX 3080 GPU inside it. So it comes with a proprietary port for this laptop only, and it comes with an integrated 280 watts adapter. And of course, this one comes with a PCIe 3.0 times 8 GPU interface, and of course it also comes with the I/O hubs that were missing here in the ROG Flow X13. Okay, so time to open the box and let's see what the ASUS ROG XG Mobile can offer us. So surprisingly, and unlike most external GPUs, this one is actually pretty portable and you can bring this one anywhere. You can fit this in your backpack, and yes, this one isn't that bulky, unlike other external GPU. Okay, so there's nothing much to see in this box. So of course, we got here the XG Mobile, ROG XG Mobile with the RTX 3080. We also got here the manuals and everything. There we go. We're gonna need that manual later once we've set up and updated our ASUS ROG Flow X13. And of course, we got here the power connector. So thankfully, there's no power brick needed for this one. We can automatically plug this one into our ROG XG Mobile hub, and everything can power up our laptop. So as you can see in here, this one is less than a kilogram. It comes with this port. These are the main features of this one. We got here a PCIe 3.0 by 8 linked to the CPU. We got 280 watts power adapter with different I/O ports. And we also got here a light 1 kilogram weight. So as you can see in here, this one is this big only. It's not that bulky for an external GPU. We got here the exhaust over here. On the other side, we got here the different IOs that we need. We got here 4 USB 3.0. We got here HDMI. We even got here a display port, surprisingly, and of course a LAN port. And of course, this one is for the power adapter. So as you can see in here, it also acts as the power adapter for our notebook. So if you want to game anywhere and everywhere, just bring this one, and it's already an RTX 3080 notebook for you. All right, so you can see in here, basically these are the instructions. There's a small bit of paper in here. It actually shows you how to use the ROG XG Mobile to your ROG Flow X13. So give me a few minutes as I will just update my ROG Flow X13, and yes, we're gonna see how does the XG Mobile works for the notebook. So you're looking at the ASUS ROG Flow X13 and also the XG Mobile over here. It's actually pretty easy to plug this one in. So as you can see in here, just plug this one over our proprietary port. Of course, this one is connected to the power adapter. As you can see, we got here the light and everything. We need to switch the knob over here to lock. As you can see in here. And yes, we will see this one in our notebook, and time to set it up. So as you can see in here, we can easily activate the XG Mobile by pressing OK. Okay, and then it's processing right now. So every I/O port will now work on the ASUS ROG XG Mobile. And of course, the RTX 3080 GPU on this one. So yes, we will take advantage of the power of the CPU of the Ryzen 9 5900HS and also the RTX 3080 inside the XG Mobile. So as you can see in here, it's now running on RTX 3080, and if you want to deactivate that one, you can just open the ASUS ROG Armory Crate over here, and you can deactivate the GPU and just plug it out if you wanted to. So yes, it's very easy to use, and this one is perfect if you're working outside. For the people who are doing same-day edit on weddings, this is a perfect notebook for you. I mean, we got a 4K display, we got here a crisp colors, we got here the powerful RTX 3080 GPU and everything. So yeah, I guess that's it for our short unboxing. It's actually not that short. It's our unboxing and short hands-on of the ASUS ROG Flow X13 and the XG Mobile. And yes, so if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to click that subscribe button and also that bell button to get notified of the latest videos here at my YouTube channel. So once again, I'm Jam of Jam19.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again sa susunod na video.